Welcome back to the Rider Pro, Riders. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated dirt bikes of the upcoming year, the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z450. Known for its race-winning pedigree, the RM-Z450 has been Suzuki's flagship motocross bike for decades. For 2026, Suzuki is bringing some serious updates to keep this machine ahead of the pack. Let's break down the specs, features, and what makes the new RM-Z450 a true game-changer. Design and styling. The 2026 RM-Z450 retains its iconic aggressive stance but now comes with sharper bodywork and a refreshed graphics kit. The new plastics are slimmer, giving riders more freedom to move on the bike, while the seat height and ergonomic triangle have been fine-tuned for better rider control. Suzuki has also introduced new color accents on the frame and swing arm for a premium, factory race look straight off the showroom floor. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 RM-Z450 is an updated 449 cubic centimeters DOHC, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine tuned for more mid-range punch and improved throttle response. Suzuki engineers worked on optimizing the intake and exhaust flow, adding a redesigned cam profile, and updating the fuel injection system. The result? A stronger, more linear power delivery that gives riders confidence whether launching off the gate or clearing massive jumps. Electronics and rider aids. One of the biggest upgrades for 2026 is Suzuki's next-gen Holeshot Assist Control, S-HAC, and a new multi-map engine mode selector. Riders can easily switch between maps to adjust power characteristics for track conditions. The updated traction management system also provides better grip on loose or muddy surfaces, a huge plus for riders looking for consistency in every lap. Suspension and handling. The Showa spring fork and rear shock have been completely revalved for 2026 to improve bump absorption and cornering stability. A lighter, stiffer frame offers better feedback, while revised engine mounts reduce vibration and improve rider comfort. Combined with a slimmer chassis and narrower shrouds, the new RM-Z450 is designed to feel more nimble and responsive than ever. Braking and wheels. Stopping power also sees a boost. Suzuki has fitted larger front-wave rotors and updated rear calipers to improve bite and fade resistance. The bike rolls on Excel aluminum rims wrapped in premium Dunlop MX tires, ensuring excellent grip and durability for pro-level racing or weekend track warriors. Weight and ergonomics. Suzuki's focus on mass centralization has shaved precious pounds off the RM-Z450. New lightweight components in the subframe, swing arm, and triple clamps make the bike feel flickable without sacrificing stability at speed. The redesigned seat and handlebar layout put the rider in an aggressive yet comfortable attack position. Race-ready features. From the factory, the 2026 RM-Z450 comes with details like a reinforced chain guide, stronger foot pegs, and a quick-access air filter cover, small but significant features that make maintenance easier and reduce downtime between motos. Price and availability. Suzuki is expected to launch the 2026 RM-Z450 in late 2025 with an estimated starting price of $9,999 US. It will be available in standard and